Welcome to 10 Projects in 10 Days, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of web development? In this intensive course, you will master the fundamentals of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript while creating 10 diverse and interactive web projects. Day 1. Love Calculator. Discover how to create a fun and engaging love calculator using JavaScript. Day 2. BMI Calculator. Build a body mass index calculator that helps users monitor their health. Day 3. Loan Calculator. Develop a practical loan calculator to assist users in financial planning. Day 4. Counter Application. Learn how to create a dynamic counter application with JavaScript. Day 5. Palindrome Checker. Develop a tool that checks if a word is a palindrome using JavaScript. Day 6. RGB Color Generator. Create a color generator that generates random RGB colors for stunning designs. Day 7. Tip Calculator. Build a handy tip calculator to ease split bills and calculate tips. Day 8. Time and Date Widget. Construct a stylish time and date widget using HTML and CSS. Day 9. Get the Unicode character value. Explore how to retrieve Unicode values using JavaScript. Day 10. Age Calculator. Develop an age calculator application to calculate age based on birth dates. By the end of this course, you will have gained hands-on experience and practical skills in web development, ready to showcase your impressive portfolio to potential employers or clients. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your web development skills, this course is perfect for you. Enroll now and unlock the power of web development with 10 projects in 10 days, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Get started on your journey now. See you on the course.